Assalamualaikum. We made this video for the Digital Content Creator Assignment. We from Group 10 created an application that aims to provide a different and varied learning experience so as to stimulate student interest in learning. The application we create aims to improve reading, pronunciation, vocabulary, speaking, and listening skill. This application can be used by children from kindergarten to elementary school. Next, we will explain the elements and how to use the application that we created.
Now I am going to give a brief explanation regarding our application. Here I will show you about the design and the blocks of the application, and I will also show you what are elements that we use for creating the application. And before that, I am sorry that I cannot explain it like one by one because there are a lot of elements that we use. So I will just show you like a brief explanation about the application here. So this is display of MIT App Inventor website, which is used for designing the application. And then I will show you the very first screen of the app. This is like a splash screen, and the elements that we use is image, label, and clock. Then this is for the blocks. Yep, just simple because it's just the beginning of the app. This is the blocks, and then the next screen is the main screen. Okay, I will show you this design. So this is the design for the main screen. This is of several menus and used elements such as horizontal arrangement, label, and there are also sound buttons, and then player and sounds. And this is for the blocks of the main screen or the main menu. And then the next one is I will show you about name of animals. Okay, it consists of some pictures of animals. There are 15 pictures, and we also added some sounds of each pictures, and this is the blocks. Okay, so this is the blocks for the animals. So it consists of picture and also sounds. There are two sounds. The first one is the sound of pronunciation of the name of animals in English, and the second sound is the sound of the animals itself. So when you click on each animals, it will appear, the sound will appear. The game. We also make a simple game. Children likes to play while learning. This game is called Catch the Cat. So it is a picture of a cat and some elements such as horizontal and vertical arrangement, label, canvas, image sprite, button, plug, notifier, and also sounds and player. And let me show the blocks. Okay, so this is for the blocks or the coding for the game. So if I want to give brief explanation about this one. So clock one. This one is for for the movement of the cat. So when the game is being initialized, it will automatically moving at a random place. Here, show you around here, the cat will be random around here, and then the cat also can add particular speed. One interval is for setting the speed of the cat, whether want to faster, slower, or just so or in case and of the clock too. Okay, I will brief explanation about this. So for the clock to here is for the timer. If you see at the design, there is time remaining. Set the time as 30 seconds. So when the game starts, then the time here will start counting down from 30 until, and then when the time is up, show a message notification, show time up, and also add a sound, show like time up. That is over. And how to play the game is the children can tap on the cat. They can step or touch the cat until they reach a score as many as possible, and then here to start the time remaining, then the amount of the score will be shown below this start button. Okay, which one that I have explained? Okay, I think I have explained all about menu of our application, and I am sorry that I cannot explain the coding like one by one because it will take a lot of time because use a lot of elements in the application. So I can just give you a brief explanation regarding our application, and that's all for the explanation. Thank you.
Okay, next I will show you how these apps work. Here, when the application is clicked, we will see a brief splash screen, and it will go straight to the application page. The concept of this application is to learn about animals and is targeted at young learners. So, the theme of the application is adjusted at the student level, starting from the background, sound effect, music, and the difficulty of the material. Here are 4 menu options: name of animals, let's practice, quiz, and game. When choosing the first option, users can see a list of various animals in the form of pictures and writings, which, when we click it, will make a sound of how we call the animal in English, followed by how the animal sounds, like so.
Cat, cow, horse,
Then, in the second option, Let's Practice is a place for users to practice how to pronounce animal names. We can start by clicking vocabulary and then saying the word listed. Then the application will analyze the user's pronunciation to determine whether it is correct or wrong. And don't worry, after we say the name of the animals, we will be given a statement about whether it is correct or wrong. If it feels right, then the user can click the next word button to move on to the next word. Moving on to the third option, which is quiz. There are 3 levels of difficulty that users can choose from: easy, medium, and hard. At easy level, there is a quiz in the form of scrambled words related to animal names. At medium level, a quiz for users describing animal characteristics, where users are expected to correctly guess what animal is meant. for the hard level contains questions about general knowledge about animals. There is also an instruction button down here so that users can understand how the concept of this quiz takes place. The last option in this application menu is a simple game for users called Catch the Cat. To start this game, users can click the start button and then start to catch the cats. They keep moving until the time is over. Alright, that's all about our presentation. Hopefully, the application we made can be useful enough to help users learn about animals. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.